Okay, this is at Cedar Island, November 5th, 2011. We've got a big northeast storm going on. It's Saturday afternoon. And as you can see, these waves are hitting hard enough to splash the water up on the lawn. Water on the road between here and Atlantic, Route 12. We call it the Marsh Road. A little bit of water. There's people getting through, but it's salt water, so a lot of people don't want to drive in it. There's Hog Island out there. It's blowing pretty good. Between 25 and 55 miles an hour, and there was a gust to 65 here at one point today. There's a good shot of Hog Island also. There's Carlton's boat piling. There's our marker for a lot out in the water. The other one's over here somewhere. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Over there somewhere. This thing's blowing pretty good out of the northeast. There was somebody out here on a boat earlier today. I don't know what they were doing, but they were out there in this same kind of weather. Imagine that. Cedar Island, North Carolina, in the middle of a northeast storm.